As people get older, they don't have enough stamina to go out and enjoy outdoor activities as often as they used to. And with loved ones and friends moving or passing away, their life can be very lonely. Therefore, a pet could be the greatest source of comfort and companionship to make their lives easier. This video presents Pets for Seniors. What you need to know. Health benefits of pet ownership. Just like hanging out with your bestie, owning a pet helps boosting mood, lowering blood pressure, increase social interaction and physical activities. According to a psychotherapist, having pet company, the elderly can focus more on the present and don't worry about the future, which can be a very scary concept for an older person. Pets can also ease the symptoms of depression and feeling of loneliness. Many elderly say they can't live without their pets. Having them makes their lives less lonely and cozier with their loving companionship. Some research shows that pets are able to prompt better memory recall in their elderly owners. Having a pet helps the senior focus on something other than their physical problems and negative preoccupations about loss or aging. Animals benefit from adoption too, as retired adopters tend to have lots of time to devote to a previously unwanted pet, forming a lasting bond. How to find the best pet for the elderly. Apart from undeniable benefits, owning a pet can have certain drawbacks to your aging loved one. Seniors and caregivers should work through the following questions before welcoming a pet into the family. Is the senior ready to have a pet? Adopting a pet may change a person's entire daily routine, so it is recommended that the elderly is an experienced owner. However, if they are open to a new and rewarding commitment, then first-timers can still make great owners. Can the senior take care of the pet? Having a dog increases the frequency of exercise and going outdoors in elderly, however, they can be challenging for individuals with limited mobility. If walking a dog or giving him a bath is too much, lower maintenance animals like cats and birds may be preferable. What about a therapeutic or emotional support animal? If a person is very disabled, a specially trained therapy dog is a perfect choice to help them function both at home and while on outings. What age pet would be best? Young pets like a puppy or kitten are not a good choice for the senior, as they require intensive care and training. But senior pets have their own physical limitations and illnesses too. Therefore, it is best to find a well-trained pet which is at least 6 months old. What temperament would be a good fit for the senior? Studying different breeds' characteristics and interacting with the future pet before determining whether to adopt him or not are essential, because the pet needs to be compatible to their adopter's both energy level and personality. Some breeds like a Jack Russell Terrier may not suitable for old people since they are very high energy and require a great deal of effort and commitment. Is the pet healthy? The pet should be checked by a qualified veterinarian to make sure he is free from any diseases, because unhealthy pets do more harm than good to the elderly. How many pets? Go for one, because the two animals may spend time with each other and leave their owner alone. Is budget a problem? Raising a pet would cost hundreds of dollars, especially in the first year. You may need around $810 for food, medical care, toys and grooming if you want to adopt a small puppy. A low-maintenance animal like a fish is less expensive, coming in at about $235. Make sure the senior can afford it before taking home any animals. What backup plan should be prepared? In our golden years, anything can happen, therefore, adopters must prepare for the unexpected for their pets. What would happen to their animals if a senior had to go to the hospital, spend time in a short-term rehabilitation facility, move to a long-term care community, or even passed away? Make sure you have a contingency plan in place for our furry and feathered friends before an emergency strikes. Without one, beloved animals may wind up back in a shelter. Where to find a pet? Purchasing from a breeder may assure you of the health and quality of the pet, but adopting from shelters can be of great benefit too. You are offered at a lower price and take the chance to take care of an unwanted animal. Some shelters even offer reduced adoption fees for older pets and adopters age 55 and up. Shelter personnel understand the characteristics of each animal, so they can consult you on finding a good match. Recommended pets for seniors. Dogs. If big dogs may be a little too active for seniors, opt for small ones, such as a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, Shih Tzu, or Maltese, which can make great companions for seniors. Cats. Cats make wonderful companions for the elderly who physically can't handle activities like walking a dog every day. Short-haired cats make great pet options since they are typically very independent and quieter than a dog. Long-haired cats will require a bit more work since they may need to be brushed or groomed, but any cat is still a good option for a senior. Fish. Buy your aging loved one a small bowl or aquarium of betta fish which love being alone, need little space and very colorful and fun to look at. These and other small freshwater fish can make good pet options for seniors, but the tank size should not exceed 10 gallons for ease of water changes and cleaning. Leopard geckos. Reptiles may not be popular as pets, but leopard geckos are an exception since they require low maintenance and little care. They are also quiet, small but super cute. Once the enclosure is set up with the proper lighting and accessories, leopard geckos do not need to be fed daily and live a lot longer than fish, so you don't have to keep replacing a pet. Which pet would you like to adopt? Tell us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.